Wanted to do another demonstration video. We just added a new feature to the platform, the soil health dashboard. That's what you're looking at right here. It's the third tab down is what you would click on. And so what we wanted to demonstrate with this feature is basically we're trying to help you, help operations better interpret the various soil tests that they send in for lab tests, be it a Haney test, PFLA, could be really just about anything. And we're using some AI features to sort of help us with interpreting just what those results mean for us. So I'll kind of just start from the top on how you would use this if you were in the platform. So I have a couple of reports that I've already uploaded, so I won't actually do that. I'll just kind of show you where to go. So I would start. So first of all, we have two farms plotted here. As you can see where my mouse is hovering, there's that L-shaped track down on the bottom right, and that square-shaped track, that's a 40. So those tracks would you would see them also in the land tab right here. I just went down to land, and I can see if I click on that, that shows me. So everything still all sort of corresponds with each other, so you can see just exactly what track we're referring to. So going back to the soil health tab, those are where you see those tracks. We've got the Welch 40 and the Stuckey 60. So we would go ahead, if we wanted to put a soil test in there and it sort of give us some feedback, I would just click upload soil test. And right here where it says click upload or drag, I would just click that, and I could grab that from anywhere. Like I had a test right here in this temp file that says rooted ag Haney. There's 6 tests in there. If I open it up, I'll show you real quick. You can see basically there's 6 tests in there. So I would pull that. Basically, I would just click upload right here, pull that in, and I'm not going to do it because it's already in there, but I'll click that, let it upload, so I'll cancel that. And so once it's uploaded, up here where it says report queued for generation, you would see another blue bar saying something like uploading report. Once that's uploaded, I can click on which parcels I want to assign that to, whether it be the Welch 40 or the Stuckey 60. So I've already done that as well. And so we'll go ahead, and so now that those have been uploaded in there, I would just click view report. And then right here is a summary of the Welch 40. So this kind of goes into talking about the overall soil health assessment, some priority issues of some things we need to address. As you can see here, there's some potassium deficiencies. It kind of tells us where we're at with phosphorus, some micronutrient deficiencies, those sorts of things. And those all came out of a Haney test that we pulled. And so over here, so that's the overview. And then if we get into a little bit more granular level, you'll see on my 40, we pulled 3 samples. There's a 5T, a 6T, and a 7T. That's just how we named them. And so that sample 5, what I could do with it is I could click right here and say right here I want to add on it. So that kind of goes into specifically what did we see in that test in that area of the field. And so I would click add location if I wanted to actually pin it. And I could just either enter the latitude and longitude if I have it, or if I kind of remember where I was at, I could just click add. What I could do is just simply right click and add my point wherever I want. So that's what I could do there and save that location. I'm not going to do that because I can't remember where that was at, but that's kind of what you would do to pin that exact location where that test was taken. So you can start to go back and you start to just get more and more granular levels of data on kind of what those soil tests are telling us on specific tracts of land. So you've got this dashboard view where you can see these things. So that is the soil health. That is the soil health feature that we've added. And again, it kind of all sort of corresponds with each other. You kind of start seeing these things all sort of connect. So we've since added land parcels where you can see which piece of land corresponds with what, those sorts of things. So that's what we had to show you. Hopefully that all makes sense. And again, as always, drop us a line if you have questions about how to use this. We want to make it as functional and as easy to use as possible and as relevant to your operation as possible so that you actually get some value out of these things. So that's all for now. Take care.